What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to share with you how you could potentially be making thousands of dollars each and every month selling colouring book pages. So welcome back to StackinProfit. My name's Paddy and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now, like I said in this video, I want to share with you how you could potentially be making thousands of dollars each and every month pretty much with passive income. Now, what I want you to do, if you haven't already, is go through and watch this video. How to make colouring book pages fast and easy. So that's this video just here. What I'm going to do is link it right there in the right hand corner right now, so you can go through and watch it, because in that video I share with you this cool software. So this is called Repper. Now within Repper we can create geometric patterns literally from any image, and you get the rights and own that image fully. So I mean, like, you get commercial rights to actually sell those images. Now you can do ones like these, which are coloured or black and white, and when you do the black and white, that means you can actually create colouring pages. Now they also offer a 2-week free trial, which I suggest going through and signing up for, just so you can play around with it. Heck, you don't even need an account to play around with it, just come through and have a look. There will be a link down in the description below. But once you're on the software, once you're signed up or playing with it, you can start making some really cool patterns. Now what I went ahead and done in the previous video to this software was uploaded a mandala, as we can see right here on the left hand side, and then I just started creating patterns. Now these patterns are really easy to make, as you can see, and there's so many different variations that you can create just from one image on the left hand side. Again, go through and watch my previous video on this, because then you're going to see exactly how it works. But in that video I made an image, a colouring book graphic, and then put it onto a page here in Canva. And then what we did was put a quote on it. I just put your quote here just to make it more simple. But now what I've gone ahead and done is actually put a little bit of time in and created this. So as you can see, this looks pretty cool. This is just a couple of different fonts with a few different effects, one being a drop shadow, and then I made this kind of a drop shadow as well, put it behind it just to make it pop. And as you can see, this looks pretty cool. Now why would you want to do this? Well, because we can sell this in multiple different marketplaces. Now if we just push that up to the top a little bit, so we can sell ones like this where it's literally just the pattern, and we can sell ones like this where you actually find a quote, then create a design onto your pattern, and we can see that it looks pretty good. Now if you want to know exactly how I design stuff like this, then come and join the LCB Vault. There will be a link down below, but I share everything I now know about colouring books, and designing like this is one of them. So again, if you're interested, hit that link down below. But anyway, just creating things like this, creating the patterns over here in Repper. We have the commercial rights to sell these, so we can actually sell them in multiple different places. Now there's a few places that you can sell these, one being Fiverr. So what I put in was seamless geometric pattern, and we can see there's multiple people selling these types of things. Now here's some geometric patterns just here. You could sell them as black and white, you could sell them as colour, you could sell them as an adult colouring page as well. So if we do an adult colouring page, we can search there and we can see multiple different people selling adult colouring pages. So you could create the design on top from a funny quote or something like that, and then sell this as an adult colouring page. And you can do that over here on Fiverr. So here's something very similar, but that's just one place you can sell them. Another place is going to be Etsy. So what I put in was geometric colouring page, and we can see there's multiple people selling very similar things. So look at this one, Jonathan, personalised name colouring page. So you could do a personalised name geometric colouring page. So over here we could personalise this. So this would be a different quote, maybe not a quote, maybe just the name, going a long ways, but then we could customize that to whoever actually purchases our product. So here's just another way that you can sell them. You could even type in adult colouring page here as well. So adult colouring page, or even printable adult colouring pages, as we can see just here. And then if we take a look, just give that a second to load up, we can see all these adult colouring pages. So we could do even a collection. So over here we could make 10 or 20 different patterns and then put 10 or 20 different quotes on it, design it, make it pop, make it look good, and sell them as bundles over here on Etsy. So that's just another way that you can sell them. And here on Etsy it would be a digital download, so it would actually be really, really passive. So that's just another place. Another place, again, a third place, is over on Creative Fabrica. So what I typed in was geometric patterns, and we can see there's actually a lot of people selling geometric patterns here on Creative Fabrica. So again, you could sell these individually over on Creative Fabrica. You could sell these as a bundle. You could even sell these as a bundle. The ideas are endless. There's so many ways that you can actually make money from selling or creating these geometric patterns. So Creative Fabrica is just another outlet, another marketplace where you can create that income from selling them. And then the last one obviously is going to be Amazon, selling adult colouring book pages. Well, not the pages, actually adult colouring books. So this is just another way. This is what I actually do. So with all my designs that I create, whether it's like this or whatever, I actually create them into books. Make them into books and then sell them over on Amazon. So if you want to know exactly the process I use for researching colouring books, creating colouring books and selling them over here on Amazon, then don't forget to click that link down in the description below. But nevertheless, come through, check out Rapper? No, it's not a rapper, it's Repper. Come through and check out Repper. It is a brilliant tool. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.